Hello, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy, and I like to talk about makeup painting, nail polish, and bargain beauty. So if you are interested in watching my update, my finale for Love My Makeup Project, then stay tuned. Yes, this is the end. The end, my friend. Alright, this is the Love My Makeup Project. I created this project sometime last year, I think March, as a way to fill my schedule and work on some products that had either been neglected and not worked on, or things that were new and I wanted to give a chance to try. It was a simple, or is, if you want to do it, you can still. It is a simple project where I work on 3 products for 10 uses and take as long as I want. I focused on 1 product for my eyes, 1 for my face, and 1 for my lips. I am ending this project, although it has no end date officially, and as far as I know, I'm the only person doing this project. Shelley at Unapologetically Shelley was doing it with me, but she hasn't been around lately, so, but if you want to do it, you can. Just let me know, tag me, and, yeah. But I have decided to stop this project because I don't want to overwhelm myself with content to create, and I have some new things in the works that will be coming up shortly. And continuing forward, there's going to be a little shift in what's going on here on the channel. So that being said, let's talk about what I was working on in this project and how I did with those products. So the first product was for my lips, and it is the Bullet Lipstick in the shade Paleontologist. I wore this 9 times. Today is use number 9. I had 1 more use to meet my goal. Maybe I wore it once and forgot to mark it. I don't remember. It is a very neutral brownish shade. I keep saying I'm going to try it as a contour, and I never have. It might even work as a blush. Let's blend that out and see what that looks like. Yeah, that might be a blush shade, or, it looks a little too pink to be a contour, but that is Paleontologist. I did pretty good. I don't support that particular brand, but I have that product and I'm gonna use it. The next product was for my face, and it is the L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. And this is in the shade Fair. It is a clear, not clear, it's a white product. Boop. That you, BB cream that you blend out and it turns skin toned. Magic. And it is Fair is a good match for me. The problem I find is, I'm doing it now and we're gonna wait a few minutes. The problem I find is it seems to oxidize. So like I wore it today, but I mixed it with a concealer that is light. So I think it turned out okay. I don't feel like I look too dark compared to like my neck and shoulders. I feel like it matched pretty well. I mean, I'm wearing contour and, all those other colors. But I feel like it's not too bad, but you can already, I think, kind of see it's darkening up a little bit. But yeah, it's just one of those products that the color starts out great, but it starts, darkening and oxidizing and it gets too dark. So anyway, long story short, I've worn this 5 times since bringing it in May. I am working on other foundation products, and mixing this with a concealer is going to be the way I'm going to go in the future. It is what it is. I gave him my best shot, and I'm not gonna, get rid of it. I'm just, not gonna continue working on it for now. And finally, the last product I'm working on is an eyeliner. This is from NYX in their Glide On, Slide On formula, and this is Purple Blaze. It is a purple metallic. I am wearing it today because I just happen to have a purple look, and that is what it looks like there. See, you can see that foundation is oxidizing darker. It is a purple metallic. It is a little bit old and starting to dry up. It's loose in the pencil. It does need to be sharpened. I've only worn it 3 times since bringing it in July. So that was last month. So, I mean, that's not too bad. But, you know, I didn't meet my goal. So, that is it. It's the end. No more Love My Makeup Project. I mean, unless you want to do it, like I said, you know, you're more than welcome to. Just let me know down in the comments. And if you guys really want me to bring it back, I will bring this back in the future. But for now, it is going to take a hiatus. It's going to end. And we're going to carry on with new things in the future here on the channel. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do that while you're here, because it means a lot to me. I am trying to grow and reach at least 200 subscribers by the end of the year. So that would help a lot. And don't forget to take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and you'll see me in my next video. Bye-bye!